Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, November 29th, 2018. Well, folks, the markets had that monster rally yesterday. Apple was up 7. I mean, a lot of stocks out there have had big bounces now. So there's not as many opportunities out there as there once was, but there is one area to start accumulating in, and that is the OIH, the oil services. This is where it's at, folks. Bottoming tails galore yesterday after making new lows. You can see right here on the daily chart, it made a new low yesterday, reversed, closed up, and look at how it's holding up today as the markets are a little bit weaker. Oil is starting to gain traction. I believe oil bottomed, which should be a benefit here because oil pierced the even number of 50. All right, that's a huge retrace from about $77 down to 50. But the key that it pierced the even number of 50 is very, very important. You should see a technical bounce. You're starting to see it today. You should see it multi-day, multi-week bounce in oil. That will confirm the move up, the bottom on the OIH, the oil services ETF here. And again, you can see the bottoming tail right there, major bottom right there. If you look at other stocks, look at Valero. Valero yesterday, big reversal after making a recent low. Schlumberger, bottoming tail yesterday. That's retracing a little bit today. Looks beautiful, though, on the daily chart for probably a move back to about 52, which is over a 10% or about 15% upside there. Across the board, folks, this is where there's still opportunities, where there's still a robust chance for major upside. So again, guys, this is where it's at. Again, oil should trade back towards 55 in the coming days. That will propel the oil plays here like Schlumberger or the OIH north substantially. And again, you're going to get a bounce like you saw in some of the tech stocks in the oil stocks in the coming days. All right, so this is where it's at, folks. Again, I can't tell you enough. I even like stocks like U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel yesterday, a beautiful bottoming tail. Take a look at that. Look at this. Bottoming tail here. Yesterday, a little bit of a retrace today. This should head right back up to about 26 and change from 22. That's another good one that I love on the daily chart as well after tagging some key support. All right. On that note, I'm going to bid you farewell. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Get involved, folks. There is so much opportunity. Yesterday, we took a 10% winner on OSTK. We were holding Apple. We were holding a lot of other stocks yesterday. I had called for a rally. We got that. I still think there's a little bit more upside, but keep in mind the G20 is this weekend, so obviously there is some risk holding into the weekend, but I still think ultimately the markets have a little bit more upside before they top out again and have another leg down. All right, have a great one, guys. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.